What the frick happened to BNB? Went down to $57. We're going to be talking about that in today's episode. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm in the pipe 5x5.
Living alive, staying alive, into.
Yes, exactly. I'm here joined with Crypto Kid. How you doing, man?
Doing good, but the altcoins are not doing good.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God. It looked like we were going to have an alt season, right?
Well, you are clearly wrong, but
Yeah, but then the charts, right? It was like a what's it called? The symmetrical triangle that broke down from the symmetrical triangle and it reversed right back up. It was like, exactly. Yeah. Jesus Christ. What you gonna do, right? So we're gonna be talking about what happened in the alt market. Why did this happen? What triggered this?
So I'll explain it to you because he has no clue what happened.
No,
past 2 days have been pretty busy.
Alrighty then.
So yeah, I'll tell you. So the past 2 days, right, it's been pretty crazy. What happened was the altcoin market took a big shot. Now, after the SEC deemed a bunch of altcoins as securities, what happened was US exchanges such as Robinhood began to announce that they're going to delist all of these trading pairs because they got scared. Now, the misconception is that just because the SEC says these altcoins are securities, they're securities, but they're not. They have to go through a proper judicial process in court, like the XRP situation, to be deemed as actual securities. Now, Robinhood got scared, and Robinhood is actually one of the biggest holders in a lot of altcoins. Of course, they provide liquidity for retail traders to trade. And they said that they will force sell all customer assets of these specific altcoins on the 27th of June.
Mofos, man.
Yeah,
Mofos.
Force sell.
No way.
Exactly, man. So what happened was a lot of these Robinhood users, they're going to sell it anyways. So after they heard this news, they immediately sold it into the market, causing a massive dump. Like, three biggest altcoins that experienced a massive dump was Matic, we saw Cardano, and I believe we saw Solana as well plummet. I checked, Cardano went down like 40% in the past week. So it's just unbelievable, and the altcoins are getting butchered. But the good thing is, right?
This is a buying opportunity.
This is a buying opportunity. Like, these are easy 20x opportunities for the next bull run. And
exactly.
Some of these altcoins came down to their since 2019 lows, which is unbelievable.
Yeah, like Binance, like BNB coin.
BNB, $57. By the way, it did happen only on the BNB USDC pair on Binance. But if you look at every other exchange, like, it's at $236. That is super cheap.
He's looking at the screen there, just in case you want to know. So that's absolutely incredible.
Incredible. But the good thing is, right?
Yeah.
Bitcoin dominance went up. I believe it's at 49%. It spiked all the way up to 51%.
I don't know if that's a good thing, right? I think alts should outperform.
I mean, you're a Bitcoin maxi.
I'm a Bitcoin maxi, but alts should outperform Bitcoin because of the fact that they have lower liquidity, meaning that if you put in a very small amount of money, you could cause the price to rise. So you could see a higher leverage pump with alts. So basically, you're leveraging your wealth when you invest in alts.
And I'll mention something too. I think not many YouTubers mention this. People say it's okay that, United States is cracking down on crypto and they're trying to get rid of it. That's okay because, we still have Asia, which is the biggest volume where, all the volume for crypto is coming from. That's the biggest market. But the truth is, now that the US is getting rid of crypto in a full scale, what happens is they control the entire mainstream media. So if you remember back in the bull market a couple of months ago, you would see Bitcoin, crypto, NFTs on every single newspaper, on social media all the time. But now that US is laying back off, these past couple of weeks, months, you've not been seeing crypto much, right?
Yeah, because have you heard about Choke Point 2.0?
No.
Yes, there's a leaked document from the government where they're planning. They have a whole plan on how to get rid of crypto in the United States.
No way.
Yes, it's a leaked document. I've already put it on the channel many times, right? Where I have links in the description. I'll try to put another link in the description here. It's a clear plan exactly how they're going to get rid of crypto, and they've already started executing on it with the SEC and with the getting rid of stablecoins. So I would be very careful with stablecoins.
Yeah.
I would not hold a lot of cash in stablecoins such as USDT, USDC, any of those, because they're going to come and attack those very soon because it's already in the document. And you can see they've already started executing with that.
That's crazy. And you know what's happening? Also, Binance US, they paused USD deposits into the exchange. Coinbase took a better approach because they're actually going to fight the SEC in court to prove that they're not serving securities. That's good, but Binance US had to hold USD deposits into the exchange. Now, what does this mean? That the US population is starting to not invest into crypto. This is beyond what a lot of people think. Of course, US mainstream media is going to stop pushing it. But the second thing is, a lot of market makers, I've been speaking to he's a big trader, and he's been telling me that a lot of market makers have stopped market making in the crypto markets ever since the FTX crash, and now more so after this major US crackdown.
What that really means is that there's going to be less liquidity in the market, so that the market's going to be that much more volatile. If you don't have market makers, they're not actually providing the liquidity in the market. So you'll see prices spike down 20%, 30%, right? Just like we did see with the USDC Binance, right? That was because of lack of market makers, most likely.
Yeah, 100%. And like, it's just so terrible. And what happens is if retail investors begin to decline, then market makers see that, market makers go in when there's a lot of retail investors because they can profit off of them by market making, right? And if retail investors begin to drop, then market makers begin to leave as well. And that's when you have like very little liquidity, and that will hurt Bitcoin's maturity in the long term. So I don't think it's looking good for crypto at the moment, unfortunately. But if you are a long-term investor, if you are a long-term hodler, then it is the perfect opportunity to be DCAing into these altcoins that have gone down like almost 40%.
Definitely.
The huge lows,
Definitely. I have a system of making money with the alts. Yes, the little old lady strategy. You can find that on my channel, actually on my website, davincicodes.net/videos. So make sure you check out the links in the description below if you're interested in that videos. They're old videos, but still the process is really simple. It works. You basically find the lows, buy the lows, and then you sell half on the double when it does.
Perfect. I remember watching this. Yeah, it's very profitable. I can say that.
Very, very profitable. I actually took $20,000 and turned it into $10 million in the last bull run, in the 2017 bull run. So yeah.
Yeah, guys, prepare for the bull run because it's going to come, right? It's inevitable. We will see another bull run. Like, trust me, it will happen. And now is the time to be preparing. Now is the time to be accumulating. And then after you've done all the hard work right now, you can take profits in the bull run. Make sure to take profits. That is also very important. And that's it. That's literally the formula of becoming rich with crypto.
Exactly. I'm going to be talking about how I did that, how I made that money, right? Probably on Carl's channel, right, Carl? Right? We're supposed to be doing that video.
Which video?
A video where where I talk about how I took $20,000 and made it into $10 million, right?
Yes, that's crazy. 5 to 10 million. You're a legend, bro.
All right. Well, thank you guys for watching, right? Thanks for being here. Make sure you head over to Crypto Kids channel and subscribe, and also subscribe here and hit the like button, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.
Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.